VAT Investigations Expert Representation in HMRC VAT Enquiries and Disputes. At Holland & Co Chartered Accountants, we provide specialist support to businesses facing VAT. Investigations and compliance checks by HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC. VAT is one of the most complex areas of UK taxation, and even minor errors can lead to inquiries, assessments, and significant penalties. If HMRC has contacted you, early professional intervention is critical. We manage the entire process on your behalf, protecting your position and working to achieve the most favourable and efficient outcome. Understanding VAT investigations. A VAT investigation arises when HMRC believes there may be errors, omissions, or irregularities in your VAT returns. These can range from targeted checks on specific transactions to full inquiries covering several years of records. Common triggers include late submissions or payments, inconsistencies between VAT returns and turnover, unusual VAT repayment claims, incorrect VAT treatment or rates, failure to apply sector-specific rules such as the domestic reverse charge, risk-based or random selection by HMRC. HMRC can typically review up to 4 years of records or up to 20 years in cases involving deliberate behaviour. Types of VAT investigations. VAT inquiries generally fall into 3 categories. Routine compliance checks, standard reviews of VAT records which can escalate if issues are identified. Aspect inquiries. Civil investigations, more serious inquiries under Code of Practice 8 or 9, usually involving suspected avoidance or deliberate inaccuracies. Criminal investigations. In cases of suspected fraud, HMRC may pursue prosecution through its Fraud Investigation Service. Our role is to manage the process, control communication, and ensure your business is treated fairly at every stage. How we support you. We provide a complete investigation support service, including reviewing HMRC correspondence and defining the scope of the inquiry, conducting a detailed review of your VAT records and systems, identifying and addressing risks before HMRC raises them, handling all communication and meetings with HMRC, negotiating settlements and reducing penalties where possible, advising on voluntary disclosures to minimize exposure, ensuring compliance with making tax digital requirements. Our focus is to minimize financial exposure, reduce disruption, and bring matters to a swift resolution. Common VAT risk areas. Frequent causes of VAT errors include incorrect VAT rate application, overclaiming input VAT, errors in international VAT treatment, incorrect handling of deposits or partial exemption, failure to apply the domestic reverse charge, late or incorrect VAT registration, poor or incompatible bookkeeping systems. We support clients using systems such as Cashflow, Xero, and QuickBooks to strengthen accuracy and reduce risk going forward. Potential outcomes. The consequences of a VAT investigation depend on the nature of the issue. They may include repayment of underdeclared VAT, interest charges, penalties of up to 100% or higher in serious cases, reputational exposure, in extreme cases, criminal action. Early and structured representation significantly improves the likelihood of reducing penalties and achieving a controlled outcome. Preventing future issues. Following resolution, we help you strengthen your VAT processes by improving internal controls and systems, implementing digital compliance tools, carrying out periodic VAT health checks, providing ongoing advisory support, training staff where required. This ensures your business remains compliant and reduces the risk of future investigations. Why Holland & Co? With decades of experience handling HMRC disputes, we combine technical expertise with practical negotiation skills to deliver effective results. We focus on protecting your position, minimizing liabilities and penalties, resolving matters efficiently, maintaining strict confidentiality. Contact us. If you have received a VAT inquiry, do not respond without advice. Early action can materially affect the outcome. Contact Holland & Co Chartered Accountants for a confidential discussion. We will assess your position, deal directly with HMRC, and guide you through to a clear and effective resolution.